Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ProofHub with SSO and OAuth, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate ProofHub with SSO and OAuth, start by logging into your ProofHub account. Navigate to the settings menu on the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Integrations. Select Add SSO Integration. You will see options for various SSO providers. Choose the provider you'd like to integrate with ProofHub. Copy the provided client ID, client secret, and redirect URI. Next, open your SSO provider's developer console. Create a new application if you haven't done so already. Paste the copied redirect URI into the application settings. Configure the necessary permissions for user authentication. Save the settings in your SSO provider's console. Return to ProofHub and paste the client ID and client secret into their respective fields. Double-check all entries for accuracy. Once complete, click on the Authenticate button in ProofHub. A pop-up will appear for you to log into your SSO provider account. Enter your credentials and grant permissions as prompted. After successful authentication, you will be redirected back to ProofHub. You should now see a confirmation message indicating successful SSO integration. Test the integration by logging out and attempting to log back in using your SSO provider. If everything works smoothly, your ProofHub account is now authenticated with SSO and OAuth. You can now enjoy seamless access and streamlined user management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.